We know that natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. So that's what we call natural vegetation. And what about India? Well, India has four major categories of natural vegetation. So we have evergreen forest, we have deciduous forest, we have thorn and scrub forest, and we have montane forest. Now, what about evergreen forest? Why is it evergreen forest? And what exactly is an evergreen forest? Well, evergreen forest is also called tropical evergreen forest. So, evergreen forest found in India is called tropical evergreen forest. Now, why is it called tropical evergreen forest? Well, reason is that evergreen forest usually is found near the equator, that is in the equatorial region, because that region gets a huge amount of rainfall. Now, this evergreen forest, which is in India, is actually near the tropics, right? That is Tropic of Cancer. So this is a tropical evergreen forest because it is near the Tropic of Cancer. So it is a tropical evergreen forest rather than an equatorial evergreen forest. So that is why we call it a tropical evergreen forest. Now these forests are green throughout the year. That is, in the entire year, whichever time you take, you will find this forest is green. It is evergreen. Now, these forests are found in areas of high rainfall. So, you see, these forests are found in areas of high rainfall. In fact, because these areas receive very high amount of rainfall, that's why they have evergreen forests. So the plants always get enough water. There is no dry season, and as a result they are evergreen. So dash forests are found in areas of high rainfall. What type of forests are we talking about? What do you think? Well, they are evergreen forests. So you see, evergreen forests are found in areas of high rainfall. Now the unique characteristic of this forest is that when one group of trees are shedding their leaves, other groups of trees are growing new leaves. Hence, the forest remains evergreen. So it is not that the trees don't shed their leaves, but they have a cycle. So when one group of trees are shedding their leaves, other groups of trees are growing new leaves. So as you can see, when one type is shedding, the other is growing leaves. And when the other one is shedding leaves, this type is growing their leaves. So as a result, we feel that the forest is evergreen. So definitely even these trees shed their leaves, but not as much as deciduous vegetation, because they have enough supply of water, because they are found in areas of high rainfall, so they don't have a major dry season. So they definitely shed their leaves to some amount, but because they have a cycle, as a result you feel that they are evergreen, and that is why these are called evergreen forests. Now it has a vegetation of all kinds. So when we talk about evergreen forest, well, evergreen forest has vegetation of all kinds. So you will see trees, you will see shrubs, and you will also see creepers, giving it a multi-layered structure. So you see, it has a multi-layered structure. So what do we see? We have herbs which are at the floor of the forest. So herbs cover the floor of the forest, and just taller than the herbs, we have shrubs. And then we have short trees. So this layer is covered by short trees, and then you have tall emergent trees. So this layer is covered by tall emergent trees. So you see, this tropical evergreen forest shows a multi-layered structure. So you have trees, shrubs and creepers, all types of vegetation creating different layers of the forest. So tropical evergreen forest has a multi-layered structure. Now, what are the common types of trees found in such forest? Well, rosewood is a very common type of tree found in such forest. So rosewood tree looks something like this, and by the leaves you will be able to identify that it is a rosewood tree. Now, what about mahogany? Well, the structure of this tree is something like this. And how would you identify this tree? Well, definitely by its leaves and the fruits. So if you see this type of leaves and fruits, then it is a mahogany tree. Now, what about bamboo? Well, bamboo has a very unique structure. So you don't even have to look for the leaves. The structure itself will help you identify that it is a bamboo tree. So as you can see, this slender type of structure, this is what is a bamboo tree. And definitely its leaves look like this. So you can definitely identify a bamboo tree. Now, what about ebony? Well, ebony tree has this structure, and by its leaves you can identify that it is an ebony tree. So where do you find tropical evergreen forest in India? Well, this entire region here has evergreen forest, and even this region. Now, what are these regions? Well, western slopes of Western Ghats. So western slopes of Western Ghats, that's one region where you will find evergreen forest, that is tropical evergreen forest. Then the hills of eastern and northeastern India. So hills of eastern and northeastern India also have tropical evergreen forest, as well as Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this region of Andaman and Nicobar Islands also have tropical evergreen forest. So you see, these are the regions where you will see tropical evergreen forest in India. And what are evergreen forest? Well, they seem as if they are evergreen throughout the year, because they have a multi-layered structure, and because of high rainfall in these regions, they don't have a major dry season. And even if they shed leaves in a cycle. So when one type of vegetation is shedding their leaves, the other type of vegetation is growing new leaves. As a result, you will see that these forests look green throughout the year.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.